Before going to the video, I would like to share that all the updates related to videos and any job opportunities you can find under my channel posts. So if you scroll down, you can see all the jobs that I have listed across my contacts, and you can do your predictions over here, and you can participate in the polls that I conduct regularly. Before going to video, I want to share that I am available in TopMate now. So if you want some Pega career guidance, or if you want some Pega mock interviews, or if you want some information on interview questions, whatever it is, you can reach me personally in this TopMate. You can book a video meeting with me so that I can have one-to-one chat with you guys. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing good. Today we will be seeing a video on what are the ways to debug Constellation application and what are the settings we have to do in our Pega Dev Studio. If you know anything more than this, feel free to comment. Let's get started into the topic. So now we have opened an Pega application, and we know that Pega Constellation is having many JavaScripts in the backend, and we have to make sure to know these four things before we start debugging the things. So first is there is one px enable c11 and dev. So there is one when rule. So this is there under base class. So this particular OTB when rule, so it is false here, but actually this should be true. While you are debugging, you can do a private edit, and you can do the setting. And another thing, first let's see what are the different ways to debug these things. So first one is tracer. Let's see how tracer looks like when we do a debugging for a Constellation application. Let's launch a portal when we trace it. So this is the tracer, and let's launch a portal. So here if you see, there are different categories. So whatever we have on the portal, right? So those are like categorized differently. Like this is like application v2 portals, and this is the data views, and this is home page, and this is work list. So we use a d_p work list, right, to get the list of work items. And this is dashboard feed, and this is followed cases. So in this way, the particular tracer is divided, so it makes a bit easier for us to see or to investigate some issue, how it is behaving, and if you want to do some changes and you want to check it, so only specific to that you can have an easy view of it. So this is one of the major changes in tracer. And there are some tools that are also necessary for us. So we have some Chrome extensions like React Developer Tools, Redux Dev Tools. So I would be providing those links to you guys in this video description. So you can go there and you can get it from your Chrome web store, and you can add it to your browser. How does it help you is example, we know that to inspect this we can go for Control Shift I. So here if you see, so once these extensions React Developer Tools, Redux Tools are there, so under this network and all, you can see another tab. Here you can see components, so where you have very granular level, see one after the other and all. This particular granule is very useful for us. So it helps us actually to see the UI elements and inspect the elements. And another thing is profiler. So this profiler is also like a very useful tab for us. And there is Redux tab. So if you see here, this will actually list down all the things over here. Suppose if you have cases, so what is the case ID and what are the different components in that and all. So all these are very useful tools for us while investigating or debugging any issues in Constellation application. And apart from it, there is a network and console tab. So basically in this particular inspect only, you have this console and network tab. So once you want to refresh something, you can see what are the different JSSs it is being called, and if you want to see what is the behavior or what is the issues over here, you can again investigate here using this network tab and console tab also you can see. So what are the URLs this respective resource is being hit. So in this way these two are there. And X-ray vision, so this is the command for getting more granular details. So this is again API called pcode.getDebugger.toggle X-ray true to start it, and again you have to give this command false. So under console tab here you have to give this command. I'm not trying this. You guys please try and let me know how differently you have seen this inspection once you have seen that respective command. And there is another thing called as a Debug Pega API. So this respective Pega Debug API. So we know that integration resources under records integration services, and here we have integration REST. Once you are there in this integration service REST, you make sure that you use this URA template data underscore view search with this, and here you can see some list of records over here. You open this data underscore views underscore slash data underscore view underscore id, and as I said, this is this view service rest view. And here you can see if you want to get single data page view, you can give this particular API REST call, and based on this you can debug more. And as we know that in Constellation, every section is of view, and we can't see what is the like layouts or something UI technical aspects, right? So this particular service REST is very useful to know the configuration that is done for the respective view. So in these ways, you can debug this. So I would be providing some more debugging steps and SDK debugging tools also. So feel free if I miss anything, and you can add more details if you already dealt with these respective things. And as I said here, pcore command, right? So this pcore and pshell, right, these particular console things and all you can debug from dev studio only, otherwise you will see an error. So make sure while you are giving this command, you don't launch your portal from app studio, you make sure to launch from dev studio only. Thanks for watching this. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you have liked the content. Please feel free to subscribe to this channel and check community tab for regular updates and click on bell notifications.